Today's discussion is all about visualizing and writing three-digit numbers in expanded form. I'm Teacher Maricar of Angeles Elementary School. Let's study first about standard forms of numbers. Standard forms means writing the numbers only. For example, 821, 539, 611, 322, and 197. We simply write the digits as it is. On the other hand, expanded form means a number showing the value of each digit. For example, if the given number is 821, we write the expanded form this way: 800 plus 20 plus 1. The same goes to 539. We have 500 plus 30 plus 9. If we have 611, we write the expanded form in 600 plus 10 plus 1. If we have 322, we write it this way: 300 plus 20 plus 2. If the given number is 197, we write the expanded form as 100 plus 90 plus 7. Going back to our examples, the first set are what we call the standard form. If we expand each digit, we call them expanded form, like on this set. Let us study the given example. Here are the number of bags distributed to their school written in standard form and expanded form. We have 200 plus 50 plus 3, and if we put together all these values, we have a total of 253 bags. In this example, we have 2 hundreds, 5 tens, and 3 ones. This is how we write the expanded form: 200 plus 50 plus 3. If we add all together these values, we have 253, which is written in standard form. This time, tell me the expanded form of the given number. How do we write 245 in expanded form? Very good. 200 plus 40 plus 5. How about 808? 800 plus 8. Since we don't have tens, we don't need to write 0 on its expanded form. How about 992? We have 900 plus 90 plus 2. How about 629? How do we write this number in expanded form? Very good. 600 plus 20 plus 9. How about 486? Very good. It's 400 plus 80 plus 6. How about 1535? Very good. Even if we have thousands, we follow the same rule. We have 1000 plus 500 plus 30 plus 5. This time, let's try to write the standard form of the following. If we have 800 plus 90 plus 9, how do we write it in standard form? We have 899. How about 500 plus 40 plus 5? Very good. We have 545. How about 700 plus 30? We have 730. Since we don't have ones, we write 0 on the standard form. How about 500 plus 30 plus 2? We have 532. How about 800 plus 90 plus 1? We have 891. How about 1000 plus 600 plus 50 plus 3? We have 1650. We need to remember that in standard form, it means writing the numbers only. Expanded form means a number showing the value of each digit. I hope you learned something from this lesson. Thank you for watching this video.